a polarization towards M2.
M2, yeah.
Yes, and we want to try with the microgrooves and with the nanofibers.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So I think we can finish, right? Thank you very much indeed. It was fantastic presentation, your talk. We loved it. And the questions after, I mean, it was a successful webinar. Fernando, would like to talk to say something about those ion beam or something?
Yeah, maybe just for one question from Valentino that was related to the texturing in electron beam. Actually, the vacuum is around 10 minus 4, 10 minus 5 millibar. Yeah, so actually high vacuum to say, and we are avoiding any kind of contamination with oxygen. Actually, in one of the list publication lists from Silvia, we are showing with XRD that there is almost no formation of a titanium oxide or atenized there. About the stairs, yes, it's very good. The comparison is the first time that I'm observing with laser texturing. And I think that this is very promising, this kind of comparison, because in the case of electron beam, what we can really do is, if you are heat treating the material, you can really play with the morphology of the faces that you are forming in titanium alloys. So it's not really, I mean, this topic of terrace or stairs, it was already observed in literature, but I think that in the case of for functionalization of material, is not really exploited. Yeah, and I think that is, as Silvia mentioned at the beginning of the presentation, we show at least in the last 2 years this effect on the bacterial adhesion. Yeah? So that is, I think, this is one of the points. Yeah.
Thank you
I
very
don't know
much.
if somebody has questions. I'm free still.
Okay, thank you, Fernando. Thank you, Valentin. Great.
And thank you, Silvia, for the nice presentation.
Yeah. So Fernando is our colleague from Argentina who is living in Graz, Austria, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
The Graz University of Technology here.
Okay.
In Austria.
Great. So Silvia, I thank you again. Thank you very much. And we can finish our webinar, right?
Yes, I want to thank you all for attending. It was not easy to speak here alone in my home without seeing you. So I hope it was enough clear, even if I couldn't see your faces. And thank you again for your kind invitation. And we like very much collaborations between universities or companies. So if you want to make any discussion or collaboration, please contact me. I would be very glad to discuss with you new researches for the future.
Silvia, can you close your presentation so that you can see all the people here?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And then you could put your email address if you can or if you want. So
yes, it was in the presentation, but I will write it here.
Yeah, please. Let me... Yeah, fine. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you much.
Thank you for the invitation. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for the invitation.
Have a nice Friday and
Thank you, Silvia. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.